Clean, sharp, and effortlessly stylish, the temple fade is the detail that takes any haircut to the next level. Whether you rock a crop, a quiff, or curls, this fade brings structure, edge, and polish. Let's break down 5 modern temple fade styles you should try. So, what exactly is a temple fade? Also called a temp fade or Brooklyn fade, this cut tapers the hair around the temples and sideburns, sometimes extending behind the ears. Unlike high or skin fades, it keeps the fade tight and precise around these key areas. The result? A clean, seamless blend from hair to skin, making any haircut look intentional and polished.